Hi, someone just asked me, what is the best way to predict the future? The future of a project, or even the future of oneself? You won't believe it. Anyway, I'm Dr. Darawala. I'm a business coach. Please subscribe to my videos. What is the best way to predict the future? And I told him the best way to predict the future is to create it. That's the best way. When you create your own future, you don't need fortune tellers. People who look for fortune tellers are people who are lazy, who believe that they might not be lazy sometimes, but they do believe that there's someone else who has their future in control. So someone else is in control of their future. But the reality is that success is predictable and failure is predictable too. Principles don't lie, and principles are applicable everywhere. They don't fail. So if you do the right things, you will get the right results wherever you are. It doesn't matter on this planet. So if you want to predict your future, go and learn about principles that will lead to success and just practice them. And I can guarantee you, you will succeed. There's no shortcut to it. Fire the fortune tellers. You don't need them. Predict your own future by creating it.